Hey everyone! Welcome back to our channel. Today, we have an exciting review for you, the PORTER Cable 20V MAX Reciprocating Saw. This tool is making waves in the power tool community, and we are here to find out why. First, let's quickly talk about the specs. With a powerful motor designed for high-speed cutting, the PORTER Cable 20V MAX Reciprocating Saw is not just any ordinary saw. It promises efficiency, versatility, and excellence, whether you're tackling home projects or professional renovations. What makes this saw truly stand out is its 20V MAX lithium battery technology, providing extended runtime and flexibility for cordless operation. Today, we'll put it to the test on different materials, wood, metal, and even PVC, to show you how it performs under various conditions. In our hands-on demo, you'll see how lightweight and ergonomic this saw is. You won't believe how easy it is to maneuver. Plus, we will discuss the blade change system that allows for quick and efficient swaps without any additional tools. Throughout this video, we will share some tips for maintaining your saw to ensure long-lasting performance. If you've ever considered upgrading your toolkit or investing in a new power tool, stick around, because you won't want to miss our final verdict. And if you love this content and want to see more tool reviews like this, make sure to subscribe to our channel and hit that notification bell. Let's dive into the test cuts now and see what the PORTER Cable 20V MAX Reciprocating Saw can really do. PORTER Cable 20V MAX Reciprocating Saw, tool only. About this item. Engineered to help you finish more in less time, 3000 SPM drivetrain and 1 inch. Stroke length. Keep working even in tight spaces, compact 14.5 inches. Length allows for workspace accessibility. Quick blade changes, no tools needed for blade release. Choose which speed works best. Variable speed trigger offers control for cutting a variety of materials. Helps maintain constant contact as you cut with pivoting shoe. Built for comfort as you work, contoured, overmolded handle for low strain grip. Cordless convenience, portable tool compatible with the BOSCH GXL18V496B2218V4 tool combo kit with compact tough 1/2 inch. Drill/driver, 2-in-1 1/4 inch. And 1/2 inch. Bit/socket impact driver, compact. About this item. Convenient cordless 18V4 tool combo kit, features 2-in-1 bit/socket impact driver, lighter power drill/driver, compact reciprocating saw, bright work light, 2 slim pack batteries and a charger. Versatile, the 2-in-1 impact driver and impact wrench design features an adaptable hex shank with power groove and a 1/2 in. Socket drive chuck. Powerful impact driver/wrench motor, delivers a max of 1600 lbs of torque and up to 3600 IPM for professional power. Impact driver/wrench, does 2 jobs with 1 tool and goes from impact wrench to impact driver fast. Lighter drill/driver, delivers the same power as a conventional 18V motor and up to 600 lbs of torque at a more compact size. Lightweight recipe saw design, weighs only 4.4 pounds, tool only, not including battery, and is only 15.75 inches. Long for easy handling. Efficient impact driver, delivers 1600 lbs of max torque and 3600. Metabo HPT 18V MultiVolt cordless brushless driver drill and impact driver combo kit, includes 2 lithium-ion batteries, case and charger, lifetime tool warranty, lightweight power tool set, KC18DEXQB. Enhance your power tool collection with Metabo HPT's cordless brushless driver drill and impact driver combo kit. Whether you're a contractor, homeowner, or DIY enthusiast, this essential addition to any collection offers versatility for a wide range of projects. With the option to choose the best tool, it's a must-have for any power tool collection. Combo kit includes the Metabo HPT cordless tool set includes a brushless drill and an impact driver, along with 2 lithium-ion batteries featuring charge indicators, 1 charger, 1 convenient carrying bag, and 1 Phillips bit. This comprehensive power tool kit offers reliability and performance. Power tools. The Metabo HPT brushless drill offers unrivaled power with an impressive torque of 620 Nlbs, up to 2000 rpm, and unparalleled compactness at just 6.1 inch. It also features a reactive force control system for added safety. It is combined with the impact driver, which delivers a staggering 1549 Nlbs of torque, up to 3100 rpm, and 3400 impacts per minute for a cordless tool set that redefines power and performance. Brushless motor technology. Unleash the potential of this dynamic power tool set with brushless motor technology, which provides extended run time, increased power, and about this item. Engineered to help you finish more in less time, 3000 SPM drivetrain and 1 inch stroke length. Keep working even.